Since 2021, renovation of Uhuru Park has been going on. Compared with the old Uhuru Park, you can absolutely see the magic. Hello, my fellow Kenyans. Welcome to the new Uhuru Park. I need to remove this brazier and the top because I'm feeling too official. I'm coming from set because I'm also an actress based here in Kenya. Let me tell you, I'm so happy because today's set was just awesome. Right now I need to prepare some things, my camera, mic, blah blah blah, all that. Make sure that I have everything, carry water so that I can go to Uhuru Park. I am very hopeful that today I'm not going to be disappointed, because once they disappoint me once more, I disappoint my subscribers. Let me change. I show you what I'll be wearing. I'm only doing the top. For the trouser, it's a black trouser. It's nice. This will be my new look. Yes, let's go now. Let's go. Let's pack and move.
Come with me, let's see the world. I will take you to places. Every boy and every girl. Don't be afraid to travel.
Now guys, I'm finally here and I'm just so happy. I found this Maasai guy. I don't know his name, but maybe he will watch this vlog. Thank you so much. He was so nice. You know those people that you can interact with so easily? That is that guy. The entrance fee is nothing. It's free of charge.
A heart speed to the city streets.
Where I am, I can see a very old plane.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.
But the funny thing is, there is this sticker. You can't get in. And I really wish to get in so that I can show you what is inside. But anyway, it's fine. Another sticker, it's close. So something needs to be done with that drainage. There's an issue there. Some lights. So once you visit here at night, you're sorted. Even though I'm not sure, I think it's open from 8:30 to 6:30, but maybe when there is a lot of darkness, you're good. Good job. I can see an old car. Let's go and see if we will be able to get inside. And the flowers, look at that. They're everywhere. Very beautiful. And they're colored. That is red. This is white. So this is the car. And it's representing our country, Kenya, with Mr. Lion there. And the other one, I think that's a male, that's a female. Yeah. Unfortunately, you can't get in. Let me try to open. It's closed. Allow me to give you this secret. If you have started dating, gentlemen, and you don't have money to take your girl out, simple. Bring her to Uhuru Park.
to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
There is some washroom. Let's go inside and see how clean they are. They are closed.
I like to be away in my patience.
I'm here with, what's your name?
I'm Hillary.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
How do you find Uhuru Park now?
Yeah, it's nice. There are so many changes.
Okay.
Aesthetics.
You?
Gen Z taught after aesthetics, so it's nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did they allow you to do the skating here?
Yeah, they're allowed.
Did he charge you anything?
Nothing. Always a true ID.
Wow.
National ID. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
I hope you're enjoying, huh?
Yeah.
And taking pictures for Instagram.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Hi.
Hi,
What's your beautiful name?
my name is Stephanie Ching.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. How do you find Uhuru Park now?
Oh, Uhuru Park is so pretty. Like I came here today after a long while, and honestly, I can say that Kenya is really doing good. I like the way it's green, the way there are beautiful monuments to, like, you know, behind me. I'm so sure you'll show it.
Yeah.
Like there's some beautiful history, speaking about the Mamau and all that. So I feel like it's such a good place to come and at least just unwind, kukaa tu na kufikiria.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you know of the old Uhuru Park? Ama wewe umezaliwa tu juzi?
Of course I do, like kukiwa na bouncing castles,
Yeah.
merry-go-round. Yeah, I do. I used to come here when I was little. My mom brought us, me and my sister. And I remember there's a time I was in school. I went to school here in CBD, primary, and I used to sneak and come here just to like take a ride in those merry-go-rounds, and I promise it used to be so fun. But then I can't, for now, at my age, I still feel like it's okay, but I don't think kids can really enjoy. I don't know how it is during weekends, but maybe it's good.
Yeah. Let's get in here and see what we are going to find. Justice be our shield and defender. That is on our national anthem. So it's written about the British government understood the pain and grievances felt to those who were involved in the events of emergency in Kenya. The Mau Mau movement. Nice. The state of emergency. Okay. Look at this. Wow. I know there's someone who is asking, for me to come to Uhuru Park, which matatu am I supposed to use from Nairobi CBD? Guys, you just walk. This place is just next. Actually, not even next. This place is in Nairobi CBD. So many people used to come here. This was the center where people were taking pictures. And right now, the same thing is going on. Hi.
Hi,
What's your good name?
Robert Mwalimu.
Robert, eh?
Yeah.
And you? Sorry?
Ruben.
Ruben. How do you find Uhuru Park?
It is our first time to come here.
Nice.
But we are following the Google map. Yeah.
Where are you coming from?
We are from Juja.
Juja. Oh, not far away. Okay. So you don't know the old Uhuru Park?
No, it's our first time to come here.
Okay. Is it a good place to take pictures?
It's a nice place.
What can you tell other Kenyans who have not yet visited this place?
This place is fantastic.
And you, my brother?
Very nice. You have to visit.
How was the reception from the people whom you found on the gate?
Warm welcoming. We are warmly welcome.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are students, Anna?
Yeah.
Where? JKUAT. Ambieni wasa JKUAT wakuja Uhuru Park.
Watakuja. Wanakuja.
Na walete wapoa.
Wapoa ni wengi, ni wenye wameenda nyumbani.
Wameenda home.
Mko na wengi? Okay. Asanteni sana. All right. This one is about Baba Mtakatifu Yohane Paulo wa Pili. This is about Catholic Church. The Pope. Okay. He did his first mass here on 18th August 1985. I'm here with gentlemen. I don't know whether they are swimming. What are you guys doing?
We just enjoying something.
Okay.
The water. It's
Nice.
good. Yeah.
What's your beautiful... Oh, sorry. What's your name?
My name is Joe.
Joe.
I'm Joe, yeah.
Okay. You come from Nairobi?
Yeah, I come from Nairobi. Yeah, but my home county is Kitui.
Kitui?
Yes.
What? Kuna kitu gani?
No, it's Wacha.
What?
Yeah.
I need to have a friend from Kamba so that he can teach me Kikamba.
Okay. Maybe you met me then?
Yeah, for that purpose, eh?
Yeah, you met me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is Uhuru Park? How do you find did you know of the old Uhuru Park?
No, I'm not familiar here, but yeah.
Okay.
I'm not used to be coming here. It's cool.
Oh, you know the new Uhuru Park?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you find it?
It's cool, it's nice, everything is beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
How was the reception at the gate? The people that you found there?
They are friendly.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Were you charged anything?
No, we were not charged anything. You just have to show your ID.
Your ID.
Yeah.
What would you like to tell Kenyans who live abroad about
Kenyans
our
who
country,
live
Kenya?
abroad, who live abroad but they don't come back, or what?
Some of them do, others they don't.
They should think about coming back home. Home is the best. Kenya is really nice. Yeah, I love being in Kenya.
Nice.
Yeah.
Kenya is the Europe of Africa.
It's the pride. The pride of Africa.
Nice.
Actually the pride.
Okay.
Yeah.
How about my friend? Haongei sana?
Ninakuanga silent bana.
Unaongea chini ya maji?
Ninafanya usafi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, mnafanya.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving me your time
Okay.
to have a word with you. I really appreciate.
Okay.
Mkirudi Kitui wasalimie hao.
Okay.
Look at these guys. Ati ame trend. Wewe huwezi taka kutrend.
Huyu jamaa kuna courage.
Anapenda kutrend pia.
Si naona look yake imeweza.
Imeweza.
Mimi ni mtu wa social media pia.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nasema Katrina the what?
The traveler. You want to subscribe to my channel?
Yeah, sure we will.
Okay.
Boni type here.
Yeah, K.
K.
Yeah. Katri. Yes.
This way.
Yeah.
Katrina. The traveler.
Yes.
Waambie watu wa home wa subscribe bana. Shafika.
Umeipata eh?
Yeah.
Sawa, asante sana.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, make sure you tell 2 or 3 people to subscribe, yeah?
I will.
Okay, let's continue promoting our country.
Maybe if I get the link, I'll share it.
Yeah.
I'll share it to my social media accounts.
No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you. What's your name?
Katrina.
Oh, Katrina, it's your real name now.
Yes.
Oh.
Asanteni sana.
Okay.
Nashukuru.
Haya, nashukuru pia.
Mbarikiwe.
Haya.
Okay.
Uta-upload lini?
next week. Wewe ndio alikuwa anasema ni mshai. Hebu vya watu mlisema tutafika.
Mlisema sitafika Mombasa, hapa ni wapi?
Hapa ni wapi?
Na nimepata na demu ameweza.
Look at this kid.
Life ni kubamba bora, si ndio?
Ndio.
Hapa ni wapi?
Okay, asante kwa kusema nimeweza. Nimefurahia. Okay, you guys, inaonekana naweza shinda hapa. But I need to go around.
Sawa, I'll teach you some kamba basi.
Okay.
Utakomenda hapo kwa video.
Sawa, bye.
Bye.
There is also another old car here with a Maasai portrait.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
This is like a hotel. There is something my friend told me about that flag. He was telling me that's the biggest flag here in Kenya. As I look at our flag that is representing our country, let me sign out, guys. It has been nice. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Do you know of the old Uhuru Park compared with the new Uhuru Park? What can you see? Do you see any difference? Let me know on the comment section. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Let's go to 10,000 subscribers. I'll see you next time. To our country Kenya, tupendane, and I love you so much. Bye.
Read the traveler. Got to read out the traveler.